Hi guys again, welcome to our part 2 video in our special video. Today we will play again our Geometry Dash because we are not finished yet. Because we are not completed. Where is it? Today we will play with my special American cousin, Jaden. Your turn. Now it's Jaden's turn. Don't worry guys, because my cousin is hungry. This is my last game. And we will continue the part 3 because my cousin is mad. We need to wait that. That's my video. We will continue to the part 3 if my cousin is mad tomorrow. We will continue until part 5. Because we need to handle this problem because of my American cousin Jaden. Yes, Jaden, she's American. She's American. And that's all the video. We will continue the part 3 because I not pause it. So, wait, I'm sorry. I will do it and then Jaden's turn. Okay, so we will continue the part 3 because we need to handle this anger issue. Bye-bye. Bye, see you all folks. Please like and subscribe the video. And don't forget to comment and see what happened in the part 3.